Hello and welcome. I'm Daneel Ballaram, Director of Manufacturing here at Baker Baynes, and this is your May edition of In the Loop, where we connect you to what's happening in the world of manufacturing, process, energy and mining. As South Africa faces mounting pressures in these sectors, from load shedding impacts on production lines to renewed investment in local manufacturing innovation, one thing's clear: staying ahead means being able to adapt. At Baker Baynes, as we celebrate our 10-year anniversary, we're reminded that the journey is all about growth, to evolve, elevate, excel, and we're proud to walk the path with you. Before we get into the updates, I'd like to thank everyone who shared heartfelt messages to celebrate this milestone. This month, we're spotlighting a special message from Demir Ali, Senior Solutions Engineer at Autodesk Northern Europe, someone who's partnered with us many times over the years. Let's talk about what's coming. We're gearing up to host What's New, What's Next in June, our upcoming flagship event unpacking the 2025 Autodesk State of Design and Make report. We'll be unpacking insights and diving into two focus tracks: Autodesk Construction Cloud for the AECO and PEM professionals, and Fusion for Manufacturing, spotlighting how digital tools are reshaping the factory floor. Join us to explore how to optimize your workflows, improve collaboration, and future-proof your operations with the power of Autodesk. And speaking about factory optimization, join us on Thursday, the 29th of May at 11 a.m. for our webinar, Maximizing Factory Efficiency with Autodesk. We'll show you how Autodesk Fusion operations can transform your production line by streamlining workflows with real-time visibility and better coordination, delivering insights from live data to support smarter, faster decision-making, and reducing downtime and identifying bottlenecks to maximize throughput and output. So, if efficiency is your priority, this session is not to be missed. Next up, mark your calendars for Thursday, the 26th of June at 3 p.m. for our CPD accredited webinar featuring Pinnacle series by Eagle Point Software. Designed for manufacturing professionals, this platform empowers teams to evolve through continuous learning and knowledge development, elevate collaboration with structured best practices, and excel in productivity through expert-led, on-demand guidance. Whether you're a CAD admin, engineering leader, or training champion, this webinar is for you. Plus, you'll earn 0.1 CPD points with SciMachi for attending. So let's grow together. Need to sharpen your skills or earn CPD points? Our training calendar is always live. Explore our ongoing accredited training courses at bakerbaynes.com/training and continue to evolve your professional skill sets. And finally, do you have a project you're proud of? Submissions are now open for the Autodesk Design and Make Awards, a global competition that shines a spotlight on the boldest, smartest projects in industry. If you used Autodesk tools to drive impact, this is your chance to gain global recognition. Submit your entry at the link below. But if international awards aren't your thing, don't worry, we still want to hear your story. At Baker Baynes, we're always looking to profile local customer success stories. If you've achieved something great with Autodesk and our team by your side, let us know. You might just be featured on the Baker Baynes success stories. Before we wrap up, if you're looking for practical ways to drive transformation in your business, don't forget to explore our Transformation Tools Hub at tools.bakerbaynes.com. From free downloads to premium content, you'll find resources designed specifically to help manufacturers boost efficiency, reduce waste, and future-proof operations using Autodesk tools and proven strategies. Start small, scale smart, and get the tools you need to evolve at your own pace. That's it for this month's edition of In the Loop. Thanks for being part of our journey as we celebrate a decade of innovation and impact. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, and keep building what matters.